Choosing a specific field in digital marketing can be tough, but understanding what the industry demands is the key. Hello everyone and welcome to this digital marketing course. So in this video, we will simplify things. So today we will see the top 3 digital marketing field that companies are actually hiring for. I'll show you exactly how I'm using job platforms to identify the most in-demand roles and the skills that employers are looking for. We will analyze job postings, we will identify trends, and whether you are a beginner or looking to switch careers, this video will give you the insight you need to make an informed decision. But one thing you shouldn't assume that just because we are beginners, we shouldn't be looking for a job right now. But let me tell you, we are looking these jobs because we are doing the research work. And I can understand that as a beginner, we often want things laid out for us clearly so we can just follow the step and get a job. There's a lot of laziness when it comes to doing research on your own, but we have to do it. So let's do it with me. Just grab your laptop and let's start doing it. So today I'll be using first LinkedIn to search some of the digital marketing jobs, and we'll be seeing that what the companies are looking for. So I'm on my LinkedIn, and in the job section I want to write here that digital marketing, okay, and definitely I'll be specifying my location as I've already mentioned here that Gujarat, India, or you can specify more that Ahmedabad. Let's say suppose Ahmedabad, okay. I've entered Ahmedabad here and click on search. Then let's see that what all the specific skill the companies are looking for. So we will be looking for the most recent one, okay. So the first one is posted 6 days ago, but it is specifically like asking for the SEO. So you can see we will research more. But as you can see, these jobs are the promoted one, which means that these jobs are the paid one. People have paid for this particular job posting. So we will move ahead. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, so this digital marketing position is looking for the specific performance marketer. Now in that, what specific skill they want to have in that candidate, we will be searching that. So for that, let me read some of the roles and responsibilities. So they want the person to run the campaigns on social media, email, SEO, and like they also want the person to do the content marketing as well. So okay, so first of all, let me just copy their roles and responsibility at one place. Okay, so I have pasted that job description over here. Let me write it like company one. Okay, so we have put it there. I'm just putting everything at one place so that we can analyze it more, and at the end you will be getting that how I am using one tool to analyze these to getting the top 3 digital marketing skills. So let's move ahead. Now coming to the LinkedIn again, we will be searching more jobs that is not promoted. Okay, so this one is posted 1 day ago. So let's take the roles and responsibilities of that as well and put it in our Excel sheet. Okay, so this is our company 2. Okay, now let's research more. Some of the companies, like literally they have the clear like mindset what they exactly want, and as you can see, some of them have written that they want the digital marketing executive. Some of, like here, they have written digital marketing executive, but at the same time they have also mentioned that they want the performance marketer. But when you read their roles and responsibility, again they need the specified skill that person should have. So okay, fine. So for this, I'm taking only these 2 jobs. Now, then coming to the next platform, let's see some of the jobs on the other platform as well. Let me search here by writing just digital marketing. Let's say this time I'm writing digital marketing fresher. Now again, looking in Ahmedabad and find jobs. Now, so as you can see here that this job is just posted. So let's explore what they want exactly. So this is the full job description. Now let's copy their job description and put it in our Excel sheet. Okay, so we have gathered here 3 companies, okay, the job description of 3 companies, okay. Now in this way you can take more companies, like the data of more companies. Okay, so here they're asking for they're asking for the digital marketing specialist, but they are demanding for 2+ year, but we want the fresher jobs. Let's apply some filter as well, although here I have already written, but still. Okay, so let's see the job description of this one. Okay, and put it here. Okay. Okay, so I have gathered the job description of 4 companies here. Now I really want to analyze that what are the most common, what are the high demanding skill that companies are actually looking for in digital marketing particularly. So how we will analyze it, okay? If I'll go reading everything that, you can see SEO most of the time, you can see some of them are demanding for content writing, and it's very confusing, okay? As a beginner it is confusing, okay? So now to save time and to get things very quickly, we will copy this job description and we will go to Chat GPT and we will ask it to analyze it, okay? We will ask it, just give us the top skills that every companies are looking. So quickly I'm going to copy and paste everything, and then I'll be telling you the prompt which you have to use. So the prompt which I have written here is like, give me the top 3 skills in digital marketing that companies are looking for digital marketers from the above job descriptions. Okay, so let's see what it is providing to us. Okay, so you can analyze it with more job description. As you can see here, they have provided the content creation and management, SEO, and campaign management and analytics. So by this way, you can see that these are the top skills that currently companies are looking for. Okay, so based on only 4 companies, I cannot say that these are the only top skill. You have to have more companies as well. I've just shown you the example to analyze it, okay? So based on my research currently, I'm finding these 3 top skills. Okay, so I hope you have understood now how you're going to do the research for the skill which you want to learn if you're confused enough, okay? At the end, I want to say that by saying these top 3 skills doesn't mean I am saying that other fields of digital marketing are not in demand. Of course, they also are in demand, but at the starting, we always get confused that what specific field we should go into. So that's why I've made this video. So that's it for today's video. See you all in the next video. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of your knowledge. Till then, keep learning and stay curious.